This one, the brand is Samsung, and the price is 11,000 for cash, and then 12,995 if it's installment or not cash. It's 6.5 kilograms. Samsung, 11,000 pesos. This one also is Samsung, and the price is 12,525, 7.5 kilograms. And then this is the cash, and then this is the installment or not cash. 7.5 kilograms. Samsung washing machine. This one is also Samsung, but it's 8 kilograms, and the price is 18,880 for cash, and then 22,995 if it's installment or not cash. So it's 8 kilograms, 18,880. The brand is Samsung. So this is inside. This one is Samsung but black in color, and then the price is 21,505 for cash, and then 27,995 if not cash or installment. And it's 10 kilograms here. So you can see the buttons in here. So Samsung black color. So this is what's inside. This one also is Samsung. It's Samsung, and the price is 31,675 for cash, and then 38,995 if not cash or installment. And it's 14 kilograms. So you can put a lot in here. It's 14 kilograms. Samsung. Then this one, the brand is Samsung, and then the price is 10,635 for cash, then 11,495 if not cash or installment, and it's 8.5 kilograms. And this kind of washing machine is separate from the spinner. So here is the washer, and then here is the spinner. So the price is 10,635. This one, the brand is LG. LG. This is a 2-in-1 washing machine. This is washer plus dryer, and the price is 56,245 for cash, and then 75,995 for installment or not cash. But this is a 2-in-1. It's washer and dryer. So it's nice because after you wash and you can get it dry from the machine. It's only 56,245. This one, the brand also is LG, and then the price is 1,880 for cash, and then 16,995 for installment or not cash. It's a 7 kilograms washing machine. The color is white. This one also, the brand is LG, and then the price is 16,700 pesos for cash, and then 19,995 for installment or net cash. So all you have to do is just pay 3,615 for the down payment, and then you have to pay 960 pesos for monthly. It's inverter, so it's an energy saver washing machine. It's LG. This one gray in color, and then the brand is LG also. And the price is 19,730 for cash, and then 24,995 for installment or net cash. It's 9 kilograms. This one is LG also, and then the price is 36,545 for cash, and then 44,995 for installment or net cash. It's 17 kilograms washing machine for 36,545. This one, the brand is Panasonic, and the price is 23,820 for cash, and then 29,995 for installment or not cash. It's a 10 kilograms washing machine. So Panasonic for only 23,820. Panasonic. This one also is Panasonic, and then the price is 17,840 for cash, 21,999 for not cash or installment, and it's a 9 kilograms load washing machine. Panasonic. This one, the brand is Panasonic, and it's 14 kilograms for the washing, and then 9 kilograms for the spinner. So this is the washing machine, and then this is the spinner. So the price is 13,755 for cash, 16,999 for installment or net cash. You can see this is the washer. And then this is the spinner. So brand is Panasonic for only 13,755. And for this one, the brand is Panasonic. It's 11 kilograms, and the price is 10,365 for cash, 11,999 for installment. So this is the 11 kilograms Panasonic. It has a washer and a spinner. So this is the washer, and then beside is the spinner. So it's only 10,360. Panasonic. And for this one, the brand is Panasonic, and it's 6.5 kilograms. The price is 4,495 for cash, and then 4,699 for installment. Panasonic washing machine for only 4,699. For this one, the brand is LG, and the price is 15,030 for cash, and then 17,995 for installment or net cash. It's a 14 kilograms washing machine. So here is the LG for only 15,030. It's the washing machine and the spinner. And then for this one, the brand also is LG, and the price is 12,525 for cash, and then 14,995 for installment or net cash. It's a 11 kilograms washing machine, twin tub roller. So this is the washer and this is the spinner for only 12,525.